of God? Can we see the kingdom of God? Mga kapatid, kung same question na we'll ask Jesus, alam mo, sinagot na yan ni Jesus in Matthew chapter 6 verse 33. Matthew chapter 6 verse 33, ang sabi doon, seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. In the prayer, Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come. Your kingdom come. Mga kapatid, ang implication ni Jesus ay nakikita natin to. Na-experience natin to, naranasan natin to, at dapat nandito to ngayon. Kasi pinapahanap Ang problema natin ay we are not intentional about this kingdom na pinapahanap ni Jesus. Actually, meron pa siyang another verse, John chapter 3 verse 3, that unless you be born again, you cannot see the kingdom of God. Kung hindi ka ipinanganak muli, hindi mo masilayan ang kaharian ng Diyos. Mga kapatid, ibabalik ko yung tanong ngayon sa iyo. Nakita mo ba ang kaharian ng Diyos? Kung hindi ang sagot mo, malamang